In this video, you'll learn how to adjust the brightness settings on your Pixel 6. By the end of this guide, you will be able to customize your screen brightness for optimal visibility and comfort. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 6. Once the device is unlocked, swipe down from the top of the screen. This action opens the quick settings panel, which contains various controls. Look for the brightness slider located near the top of this panel. Ensure that the screen is clearly visible, as this will provide you with quick access to adjust the brightness. Next, you will adjust the brightness level. Drag the brightness slider left to decrease brightness or right to increase it. Take a moment to find a setting that feels comfortable for your eyes and suits the surrounding lighting conditions. It is important to ensure that the screen is neither too dim nor too bright, as this can help reduce eye strain and improve overall visibility. After adjusting the brightness level, you may want to enable adaptive brightness. To do this, go to the Settings app on your device. In the Settings menu, tap on Display. Within this section, look for the option labeled Adaptive Brightness. Switch this option on to allow your phone to automatically adjust the brightness based on the ambient light around you. Once you have enabled adaptive brightness, your Pixel 6 will automatically optimize screen visibility based on the current lighting conditions. This feature not only enhances your viewing experience, but also helps save battery life by adjusting the brightness when necessary. Make sure to confirm that the setting is enabled properly in the display settings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial